However, this Space Master Luis and doing another Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles from Nickelodeon. Shredder, the version 2. I really like this Shredder. Looks pretty cool. Has some chrome details, like shine through it. And there is full 360 view. There's this really awesome kind of ripped up cape. Very cool looking. And what's really neat about him is he has a removable helmet, which reveals his face. There's his helmet. Also, you can remove his cape. It just pegs in there. So let's slide it out. I see some of the details, but there's some details, but it's not really painted. So that's how he looks like when he's fighting. Yeah, very cool looking. Very, very cool looking. Articulation wise, head is on the swivel, but taking off the helmet to see it better. Yeah, there it is. Really cool looking face. Shoulders moves forward to back, and in and out shoulder pads can move as well. Nothing in the elbow, but has wrists and really cool long blades sticking out. And this one has a closed fist, but this one has an open fist. Waist rotates like that. Hips can move forward and back, in and out. Knees could bend, but just light. And he's always stuck in this kind of battling pose, which is really weird. But yeah, that's for my Shredder. So hope you guys enjoyed my video, and see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.